I got my Ipsy package.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no.
What's up, Stephaholics? Happy holiday. Hope you're good today. I hope you're having a good day. I know you're not on here and you didn't like this video. And I know you're not on here without subscribing to my channel. Like, what's good? What's wrong? What happened? So, now back to the video. I am here because, can I get a drum roll? I got my Ipsy package. And what Ipsy is basically a makeup social media app type situation that and you have to subscribe to it. It's $10 a month. It's only $10 a month. Just like those other apps like Scentbird and all those other things that like give you fragrances and stuff. This sends you 5 items each month, and yeah, you can review them and all of that, and they send it in a bag. So hold on. So look, so this is the app, right? And they have different things in there. Like, they have my Glam bag. Like, this is my December Glam bag. And then it shows you exactly what you're getting and everything. So, but I'm about to open this. But it's only $10 a month, and it is legit. So I will be sure to leave the link to that in my description box for you guys to see. Maybe you want to check that out. And for each person you refer, I think you get $5 back or $5 added, and there's also points. So you get points on your Ipsy account, and that can go towards things that you might want to actually purchase, because you can actually purchase stuff as well on here, not just the Glam bag. You can purchase stuff that you like if you want to get a dupe of something. So this is the bag. It comes in a cute little packaging, as you can see. I had to bleep out my address. And we got masks in the building. I was just talking to my sister about this. Like, I have so many charcoal. It's another charcoal, sis. I have so many charcoal masks. I promise you guys, I'm going to try them all. And if you guys show me enough love, I'll make sure that my next one will be another sissy tag, and I'll let her put one on with me. So this is the bamboo charcoal facial sheet mask. So it's ideal. It's already 2 of them. I could give her one. So let me know. That came with the bag. Snow globe. So this is the December package. During the frostiest, most festive time of year, we find beauty inspo everywhere. Icicles, fresh blankets of snow, and twinkly holiday lights have us dreaming of iridescent nail art, crisp white liner, and shimmery skin. But enough about us. What does your December beauty look like for you? Post your magical wintry looks and tag Ipsy Snow Globe so we can all inspire each other. Because that is what Ipsy is all about. It's more than the 5 products handpicked for you or the cute Glam bag it comes in. It's a place where you can find ideas, share your thoughts, and be yourself amongst a community that celebrates individuality and self-expression. We're changing the game, one Ipster and Stephaholic. I just added that in there. I like that. At a time. The world is in our snow globe, so let's shake it. Alright, so 4 of them are a sample product, is a sample of the product, and 1 of them is an actual full size of the product. So I guess like if you want to buy it, that's with also the like shopping cart, you can go and buy a few things. So and I can't wait so we can break apart the. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Alright, so what we have here are 5 items. 1 is a precision shader. This is a Luxie 239 brush. It's an eyeshadow brush. This is like a blending brush. It's cute. Nice and soft. So I can do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna add that to my Zaraya brushes. I also got a lipstick, a red lip from Smashbox. Be Legendary lipstick. And I'm gonna be legendary with this. Ooh, yes. 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 I'm very excited to try this one. I also got, let me do a swatch. I'm just gonna like that. This is really, oh my gosh. I'm excited.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited about that one. Lisa Frank, Glamour Dolls, Heartthrob Matte Eyeshadow. And this is cute. I like that. I like the packaging. Matte eyeshadow. So it's not shimmer. XOXO. Okay. I think she might know a little bit something about stuff. And this is like a nude color, earth tone. It can also be used as a blush. And my sister put me onto that. Ooh, it's pigmented too, honey. One swipe. Can you see it, babe? This serves as a nice transition color too. Alright, so that's that. And I'm excited because I get goodies every month until I don't have no money in my account for them to take it out and do it for me. But so I'll be able to do like reviews and stuff. Okay, and then this is eyebrow pencil, a mini brow pencil crayon by Trig Steak. And that's it. This looks like the pencil, but it's not. It's a cat. Isn't that so cute? And then the way that this comes out is similar to my She eyebrow sculpt pencil that I've had in my previous videos. So I like the angle. If you guys can see like the triangle shape of the pencil, it helps to make the definition of your brows more strong. It don't look like it's coming off though, but we will see how it works. All right, don't use too much of it now. All right, you guys. So these are my 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, and my mask are number 5. And I will be trying all of this in my videos to come. So if you like what you see, please like the video. Comment below what you are more interested in me trying on or versus doing the most. Which product do you like the most? Which product have you tried already? And let me know what you want to see me do next. And let's continue to step our way up. Thanks for watching. What's up, Stephaholics? Before I start this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click that bell for me next to the skip sock. Please click the bell. Before I get started, like, comment, and subscribe. And click that bell next to the subscription button so that you can get notified when my cute ass appears.